To move a rudder against 800 kilometers of wind resistance, you need more than just a motor. You need a force so powerful it could slice through solid wood. Inside these wings flows a specialized purple fluid called Skydrol, pressurized to 3000 PSI. As an aimee, we call this the blue blood of the plane. Today we're looking at the hydraulic systems that do the heavy lifting and why a pinhole leak is one of the most dangerous things. The magic here is Pascal's law. Pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted undiminished. Because the fluid is incompressible, a small amount of pressure from the cockpit's hydraulic pumps can be turned into thousands of kilograms of force. It's the ultimate force multiplier. It's how a pilot can move a 2-meter-tall rudder with just the tip of their toe. This principle allows us to transmit energy efficiently across the entire airframe without the weight of massive mechanical linkages. But Skydrol isn't your average oil. It is a phosphate ester fluid designed to be fire-resistant. This is critical when it lives next to hot breaks. But for us humans, it's brutal. If it touches your skin, it burns. If it gets in your eyes, it's a medical emergency. This is why we treat every hydraulic line with extreme respect. We aren't just mechanics. We are handling a chemical powerhouse. It can operate from -55 degrees Celsius to over 100 degrees Celsius without breaking a sweat. From the freezing stratosphere to the scorching runway. What happens if the engines fail and the pumps stop? That's where the accumulator comes in. It's a pressure storage tank. One side is filled with high-pressure nitrogen and the other with Skydrol. It acts like a giant spring, giving the pilot enough reserve power to drop the landing gear or use the brakes. In our job, checking the nitrogen precharge is critical. It is the difference between a safe landing and a runway excursion. Aviation is about controlling massive forces with total precision. The complexity of these lines is what makes modern flight possible. The next time you see a plane's landing gear retract in seconds, remember the 3000 PSI of physics making it happen. Respect the pressure, wear your PPE, and keep the blue blood flowing. Every drop counts in high-pressure maintenance. Subscribe for more mechanical deep dives into the aircraft of tomorrow. I'm Lucas, and I'll see you in the hangar.